Hi, my name is Lauren. I really like to play with slime. As you can see, bump, bump. Oh, crazy explosion. Let me go get that. Hi, I'm back. I like adventures. My favorite color is turquoise. I like to play with my sister. My YouTube channel is called Everyday Elle, and I also like to watch other YouTube videos such as J-House Vlogs and Sis vs. Bro. Now remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and push that like button. Bang! I'm going to give you 10 seconds to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! You did it. Bye. 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 Everyday Elle. Good night. Everyday Elle.